Hey there, factory managers. Are you constantly battling the challenges of maintaining a clean and safe production environment? If you're tired of dealing with the hassles of chemical fumigation, I've got some game-changing news for you. Imagine a world where you no longer have to worry about the drawbacks of chemical treatments. Picture this: no more lengthy downtimes, no more chemical residues, and a faster return to production. Your operations can run smoother and more efficiently than ever before. Let me introduce you to the revolutionary heat treatment fumigation from iEngineering. This innovative solution is set to transform the way you manage your food production facilities. Safety is paramount in any food production environment, and this new method takes it to the next level. By cutting out chemicals, this heat treatment drastically reduces the risk of contamination. No more worrying about harmful substances lingering in your production lines. No more worrying about chemical residues compromising your food products. Your end products will be cleaner and safer for consumers. It's a safer working environment for your team and ensures the integrity of your process. Your employees will appreciate the healthier, chemical-free atmosphere. Now let's get into operational efficiency. Efficiency is key to staying competitive in the market, and this heat treatment method delivers. Traditional chemical fumigation takes forever. The downtime can be a significant drain on your resources and productivity, but with heat treatment you can dive back into production faster. No post-fumigation cleaning needed. It's a seamless transition back to full operation. And here's the kicker: long-term cost effectiveness. This method not only saves time, but also cuts down on expenses. Think about it. No more spending on chemicals, disposal, and all that post-treatment cleaning. The savings add up quickly. Heat treatment saves you money in the long run. Less downtime, fewer expenses. It's a win-win. Heat treatment isn't just cost-effective, it's thorough. It ensures that every part of your facility is treated effectively. It penetrates even the hardest to reach areas and destroys pest eggs. This thorough approach ensures a pest-free environment. Plus, it's portable and easy to operate. The equipment is designed for ease of use and flexibility. Your plant staff can handle it themselves. No need for specialized training or external operators. And here's something that'll really set you apart: marketing advantage. In today's market, consumers are increasingly concerned about the safety and cleanliness of their food. With the growing demand for chemical-free food production, you can proudly advertise your facility's clean, chemical-free fumigation process. This can be a significant selling point. So to wrap it up, iEngineering's heat treatment fumigation offers a safer, faster, and more cost-effective alternative to traditional methods. It's a comprehensive solution that addresses multiple challenges. It's a significant advancement for food processing plants, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Embrace the future of fumigation with this innovative approach. Ready to revolutionize your fumigation process? The time to act is now. Say goodbye to chemicals and hello to a brighter, cleaner future with heat treatment fumigation. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you transform your food production facility.